Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do class 1 EVS chapter number 19. Chapter number 19 and title of chapter is Good Manners and Habits. Good Manners and Habits. In this chapter we will study about the good manners and the habits. Okay, let us read this chapter. Hello, I am Alicia. People say that I am a good girl. I have good manners and habits. I learned good manners and picked up habits at home and in the school. Students, in the screen you can see a girl whose name is Alicia, and every people say that she is a good girl. Why she is a good girl? Because she has good manners and the good habits. She learned the good manners and picked habits at home and in the school. And how she learns the good habits? Yes, from the home and the school. In the school, teacher teaches the good manners and the good habits. Now some good manners and the habits. I respect my elders and teachers. I listen to what they say. I always wish my teacher when I meet them. Students, this is a good habit. This is a good manner. What should you have to do? We should respect our elders and the teachers and listen carefully what your teacher says and what your elder says. Okay. And we should wish our teacher when you go to the school, and the Alicia follow this good habit, and so it's a good manner. So Alicia is a good girl. I say please if I want something. I say thank you when I get something. Students, Alicia follows the magical words. What are the magical words? Please, thank you, excuse me, sorry. Students, when you want something from any, you must use please give me something. And when you got something, when you got a gift from anyone, what should you say? We should say the thank you. So this is a good manner, good habits. Okay, now in the screen you can see girl is sneezing. Okay, I say sorry if I do something wrong. We should say sorry when we done the something wrong. I say beg your pardon when I do not hear what someone says. Beg your pardon if someone is speaking to you and you are not hearing clearly. So what you should say? Pardon, beg your pardon. I say excuse me when I sneeze. When you sneeze, you must say excuse me. Like in this screen, girl is sneezing. So what should she speaking? Excuse me. Now I wake up early in the morning and go to bed early at her. Students, these are the habits of girl. She wake up early in the morning and go to bed early at night. We should get up early in the morning and get early at night. Bed early at night. I am punctual. She is punctual. I do my work on time. Student, Alicia is punctual because she does every work on the time. So she is punctual. I reach my school bus stop on the time. She reaches on the school bus or stop on the time. I stand in a queue and wait for my turn. I stand in a queue. Students, at the bus stop, we should stand in a queue. We should not be in a hurry. Every student must wait for their turn in a queue. I always keep everything properly. Keep your things properly, every student. I put my books back on the shelf after reading them. Alisha, what does Alisha do? When she reads, then she keeps her book on again on the shelf in the proper way. I keep my toys at the proper place. Alisha keeps the toys at their proper place. I always take care of my thing. Alisha takes care of all things. You should also take care of all things. Reaching school on time. She is punctual. She reaches school on the time. Standing in a queue. She always stand in a queue. Keeping everything at its proper place. Alisha keeping her things at the proper place. You can see on the screen after reading her books what does she is doing. Yes, she is keeping her books in a proper way at the shelf. I never write or draw on the wall. She never write or draw on the walls. It's a bad habit to write on the walls. I try to keep my school clean. She tries to keep school clean. I also keep my home clean. I always keep myself clean and tidy. What does she do? Students, she keeps her home clean and she always keep herself also clean and that tidy. We must be so student, we must be well mannered so that everyone loves us. If we will be well mannered, then every people will love us. We must have good habits. They make everyone happy. We should follow good habits because it makes us happy. It's time to do practice exercise section A. Tick the correct answers. When I sneeze, I must say, what should we say? Thank you, please, excuse me. We must say excuse me. When anyone gives me a gift on my birthday, I must say thank you. When you got something from anything, you must say thank you. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. Okay, I wish my parents and teacher. Yes, it's a good habit. We should wish our parents and teachers. I do not wait for my turn. Cross. It's a bad habit. Student, we must wait for turn. I wake up late in the morning. Bad habit. We should always wake up early in the morning. I keep everything at a proper place. Good habit. We should always keep our things at the proper place. So tick in front of this statement. Now practice exercise section B. Tick the correct answers. When I do something wrong, I must say. Students, when we do something wrong, what we must say? Excuse me, sorry or thank you. Sorry, we must say sorry. We must have dash habits. We must have good habits. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Thank you, sorry, please, clean. Here some words are given. With the help of words, you have to fill in the blanks. When I hurt someone, I say. What do you say when you hurt? Sorry. I keep my room clean. When I want something, I say. When you want something from anyone, you must say please. When I get something, I say. What should we say when you get something? We must say thank you. It's time to learn the difficult words. Manners, M-A-N-N-E-R-S. Habits, H-A-B-I-T-S. Respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Teachers, T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E. Thank you, T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U. Sorry, S-O-R-R-Y. Pardon, P-A-R-D-O-N. excuse, excuse, snitch, snEeze, punctual, punctual, queue, wait, wait. Next is properly, properly, properly. Write, write, clean, clean, clean. Tidy, tidy, happy, happy. Self, self. Queue, bed, bed, early. Early. Now we will do question answer related to this chapter. What is a habit? Any action that we perform regularly as a part of our routine is called habit. Why do we have to keep our body clean? We should keep our body clean to stay healthy. What will you say? Students, what will you say? If you hurt your friend by mistake? Yes, if I hurt my friend by mistake, I will say sorry. What you have to say? Sorry. Is it a good habit to help your friend? Yes, it is a good habit to help your parents. What will you say if you receive from other? If you receive things from other? Students, if I receive things from other, I will say thank you. We must say thank you when you got any things on your, for example, on your birthday. If your parents give a beautiful dress to you, then what will you say? You must say thank you. So students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.